Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Andobil MagStick. Yeah, this is a selfie stick. But it's not only a selfie stick, no, it's a special selfie stick. It is the first selfie stick with MagSafe compatible device. Services. It is a tripod. It's compatible with MagSafe. Oh, Redefined phone tripod. 63.5 inches. Extendable magnetic cell phone tripod stand with wireless remote. It's a tripod for our iPhone 14, 13, 12, and series. And of course, Andobil makes it possible for all phones. That means you can upgrade your Android phone, for example, with a Halo ring. You have to attach it to your smartphone, and then it is compatible too with that MagStick here. Really cool. That is the world's first tripod for MagSafe, the MagStick. It's not only can us take selfies, but we can also take pictures and videos while freeing our hands. The MagStick is changing the way people capture moments and share their lives. It will help us achieve great success in outdoor activities and travel. We shouldn't have to settle for low quality photos and videos. Then again, we shouldn't have to rely on insecure, bulky tripods or fragile selfie sticks either. That's where their Make the MagStick tripod comes in. We use it to enjoy the convenience of MagSafe in Europe, Asia, and other popular travel places. We let the MagSafe do more. As the world's first tripod for MagSafe, the MagStick is designed to help us take amazing pictures and videos with extremely simple operations. We say goodbye to complicated installation steps. We just a simple touch. The phone will be automatically absorbed. The pole can be easily extended with just a single pole. With the MagStick, the innovative selfie stick tripod with remote, we will never miss a shot and get instantly creative footage. Record the exciting scenery and precious family life more efficiently anytime and anywhere. The most tripods for iPhones are simply functionally inadequate, which ends up compromising the quality of our photos and videos, especially when we use a phone tripod for regular shots. The MagStick has no such drawbacks, with its ingenious clamp reserved to 1/4 ports, which can be used to mount both compact LED lights and a separate microphone, for example. This is used for live broadcasts, video calls, speeches, and so on. Our mobile footage will be of a higher quality, and it looks more professional with this stick here. We take our photography and videography to a whole new level. Extendable from 12.3 inches to 63.5 inches. That's longer than the average out there. So we can choose the best height for us. Combining 180 degrees neck rotation and 360 head rotation, this giving us an unlimited freedom to take amazing photos and footage from a wide angle and a higher vantage point. Everything from travel shooting to wide-angle shots of parties, weddings, or beautiful outdoor panoramas. The MagStick lets us do it all. And the Andobil MagStick iPhone tripod uses the new Bluetooth technology to ensure a fast and stable connection. Not only allows us to take amazing selfies with its one-piece embedded Bluetooth, but it also lets us take those incredible shots from up to 49 feet away. Hands-free, baby! To ensure a fast and stable connection. With its detachable Bluetooth control, we can simply trigger our phone and camera shutter remotely, which is useful for those big groups or grand scenery shots. The MagStick supports Bluetooth for iOS, Android, and Windows devices, and we know does not need to download any apps for it. The MagStick is the do-it-all, go-anywhere phone tripod stand that enhance all photos and videos. No cumbersome cords, no apps to download. It's super easy to pack without having to worry about losing any accessories. Crafted from aviation-grade aluminum alloy and high-toughness PC material, it can all shrink into one, easily put in a photography bag or a backpack. Whether we are on an island adventure or in our own backyard, it's the perfect creative companion for us. There are 3 installation methods for us to choose. Method number 1. The Andobil MagStick is the world's first tripod for MagSafe. It can so attach the iPhone 14 family, 13 family, and 12 series, and all other phones after the 14, which will comes and comes with MagSafe, is compatible with this. And of course, cases too. If you have a MagSafe case, no problem. It's the same method, and it can attach directly, easily, MagSafely. Method number 2: phones other than the iPhone 12 or 13 or 14 series, they provide an extra matter ring with the phone tripod. We stick the matter ring on the phone or case, and our phone can be attached directly by the MagSafe. And method number 3: no matter any phone, it can be fixed directly by one-click clamping arms. You can see the brand Andobil was thinking about everything, nearly everything. MagStick says hello to a new dimension of photo shooting. This is the world's first MagSafe tripod on the market. One touch to start taking picture. Here comes a wide compatibility. It's a selfie stick and a tripod in one. It's extremely flexible, and we have a wireless Bluetooth remote. The height adjustable is maximum 63.5 inches. On the back side, we have a quick clamp button, and we have 2 leashes there. If we push, then we can release the clamped smartphone. We have a detachable Bluetooth remote, and it's equipped with a carrying bag. We have reserved button spaces. That's really cool. This is a good idea because the MagSafe brings it in a position, in a center position. That's good. But there is, in the most time, if you position it with a MagSafe, there is a problem because of the buttons. Yeah, Andobil thinks and brings a solution for it. Reserved button space. Awesome. We hold the lower part of the phone when we're shooting wide angle, of course. And this is the multifunction collection, if we like. The MagStick meet all our needs. LED, microphone, GoPro, for example. You can attach it there. Or a DSLR camera. No problem. You can attach it on the 1/4 screws. 2 of them are available. Extremely flexible for more possibility. 360 and 180. And a detachable Bluetooth remote. 49 feet remote control. And this is all in this one MagStick possible. It makes a really good job, and it looks really cool. It's easy to attach and easy to use. If you use the maximum stretching, it's 150 centimeter, and it brings your phone in a good scenery, as you can see. This is the Andobil MagStick. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon, soon.